All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today, Chef Dom's going to show you how to make his classic Bolognese sauce.
Very
and
nice.
It's made with Wagyu beef.
Beautiful.
Man, this smells out of this world. All right, let's get cooking.
Let's chow. All right, today we're going to do a classic Bolognese sauce, which has celery, carrots, onions, garlic, and we got some really nice Wagyu beef, bay leaves, white wine, a little milk here too, and that's it.
That covers it. Awesome. All right, let's get cooking.
All right, let's get started cooking. All right, we're gonna shred up some celery and carrots over here. We actually have a whole bunch over there. I just want to show you real quick how, we're gonna use the shredder, cheese shredder.
This method makes it the slicing or the cutting very, very thin. So this way, the carrots and the celery will dissolve in the sauce.
We have our carrots and celery and onions here and some garlic. I'm gonna put some more onions in there. I'm gonna put the other half in there.
A lot of veggies for Bolognese. Gives it a lot of flavor.
Yep.
Very nice.
Chop up some garlic here.
Very nice. All right, ready to go. Stop frying it up.
Get some olive oil in here. And I'm gonna put a couple of 2 or 3 tablespoons oil in there.
Nice. All right.
Okay, we're gonna get our vegetables in there now.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Very nice. All right, we're gonna season our vegetables up a little bit. We're gonna add more salt and pepper to the sauce anyway, and it's got the tomatoes in it, so just a little bit of spice on there. I'm gonna put a couple of bay leaves in there too. Just a couple.
Bay leaves are important, believe it or not. These hard leaves give such a great flavor, especially to meat.
Throw that one baby one in there.
Don't forget to pull them out though before you serve it, because they're hard. They're very, very hard. Oh man,
You can smell those bay leaves.
yeah.
Okay, we're gonna put a little paste in here and fry our vegetables in some paste.
Very nice. Yeah, we just had to cook them, cook the veggies so they're a little translucent.
So you can see it.
Yeah, that helps. Nice.
All right, we're gonna put our meat in here.
Wagyu beef. Let's see if it makes a big difference.
I'm gonna put a little wine in there. A little white wine.
smells good already. Oh man, this is gonna be good.
All right, we're gonna add some more salt and pepper to the beef. How's it smell, Mom? Good? All right, we're going to add a little bit of whole milk to it. Maybe a quarter of a cup, maybe a little more. What the milk does, it's got a lot of, the milk fat in there. Believe me, it changes the whole flavor of this dish. We're going to add a little more tomatoes in here. Not much. Let this cook about another 20 minutes or so, and it's ready.
Nice. Let's get the pasta water going.
Oh yeah, what are you waiting for? Come on, man.
Video it.
You're slacking off, man. I'm hungry.
I only have 2 heads. All right.
God, that looks good.
It does. It smells even better. All right, sauce is just about ready. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a nice tablespoon of Lucadeli Pecorino Romano cheese. Oh, beautiful. All right, we'll be eating in about 20 minutes.
20.
As soon as that pasta water's boiling. Oh, very nice. Look at that sauce. That's gonna stick to your ribs. All right, we'll be back.
All right, we put our mafaldi pasta in there. Look like little mini lasagna noodles.
Oh,
They're really good.
that
One of my
up.
favorite pastas right here.
Oh, that looks great.
We'll go
Brooklyn Brothers first.
good with the bolognese.
Nice.
We've eaten this many a times, but first time video.
Yeah. Very nice. All right, we'll be back in about 12 to 14 minutes. All right, is that pasta ready?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man, look at that. Beautiful.
You got a ladle for me?
It's in the sauce. It's in the sauce.
All right, we're gonna put a little sauce in here, just to get it, the pasta coated with the tomato. Oh, beautiful.
Looking good.
Put a little Lucadeli cheese in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, beautiful. All right.
Beautiful. All right.
See how the meat and the tomatoes stick to the pasta.
Yeah. Looks great. Beautiful.
That looks
Oh,
amazing.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna put this in here.
Nice.
It's gonna soak it all up anyway. Oh, yes, indeedy. Yo. What you looking for?
Beautiful. All right.
All right, now, the only thing to do is eat.
Let's do it.
All right. Let's test this
You're
out.
gonna try.
Give it a try.
Mind you, Mama, mind.
I'm trying to.
Who's stopping you?
Man, this smells phenomenal. It's kind of like eating a lasagna without the cheese. Or the ricotta or mozzarella. Wow. Very good. How is it, Mama? Quite through your mouth. Is it good?
Very, very good.
Oh, good. Yeah, it's very good. Great job, Chef Dom.
Thank you.
Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers. And if you would, please hit that like button or leave a comment. It does help our channel.
Yes, good.
Anyway, we'll see you guys next time.
Take care. See you next week.